Hello and welcome to the Longmont Yarn Shop's final demo day of the summer. Here you get a preview of how you can use a slip stitch crochet technique to steek your color work. So here Gail has knitted a simple stranded 2-color pattern that's knitted in the round, and this slip stitch crochet means you don't need a sewing machine for this securing row. And after you've crocheted all the way down your row, you can now cut open your tube. After you've cut open your tube, you're going to secure your cut edges, insert a button band or a zipper. If this sounds like a lot and seems a little bit scary to cut into your knitting, that's completely understandable. Ann Budd is teaching a Fiber Friday for cutting and securing steeks via Zoom for $20 on September 23rd from 4 to 5 p.m. Mountain Time. You can sign up at longmontyarn.com/classes. And today, for our final demo day of the summer, we're giving you 20% off all of the Longmont Yarn Shop's steeking supplies, which includes all of our scissors, our Lettlopi and Norwegian wool, which is 100% wool and great for steeking projects, as well as crochet hooks and crochet sets. You can use the coupon code STEEK20 today and tomorrow, September 5th and 6th, for 20% off. Thank you so much.